Hi guys, alright, we're gonna kick this travel channel off with the first trip of 2024. Your girl is going on a Western Caribbean cruise. Yes, I'm looking forward to some warmer weather. I am a fall girl by heart, but this winter right now is being very disrespectful. So I am ready to go. With that being said, the first thing you should have when you get on that boat is your Lysol and your wipes. Now I know you said, I'm on vacation, I'm not finna clean. Yes, you are. Clean up, everybody clean up. Because if you saw how fast they got you on that boat, and the person was in that room literally probably less than 4 hours before you got in there, you want to clean. You want to wipe down everything. You want to wipe down the remote. You want to spray the knobs. You want to pull those sheets back and spray the bedspread. So the first thing you need to go on that boat is with Lysol and Lysol wipes. You can thank me later. Next thing you will want to have when you go on the boat is, where is it at? Hand soap. You and your cabin mates are given a little bar of soap to use together, sharing it. I'm gonna let you think on that. So, stop and get you some soap. You want to get you some soap. Dollar Tree, Walmart, it's $1. You know, whatever you don't use, feel free to toss it. I won't say, oh, try to pack it back in your bag, coming back home or whatever. Feel free to toss it. But if you wash your hands like you're supposed to, you probably won't even end up throwing this away. So hand soap would be the next thing to have. Next, you want to have poopery. Please be courteous to your cabin mates. Spray 1, 2, 3. Drop the kids off at the pool. Your cabin mates will thank you later. Now, if you don't, unless you have a balcony where you can open the door and let in some fresh air and spray some Febreze or air freshener to kind of, downplay what you did, then yeah, invest in you some poopery. You know how to get poopery. They have some off-brand stuff. Just invest in something and be courteous to your cabin mates. They will thank you, and you will thank me later. Trust and believe. So, poopery. Next, you will want to take is a travel adapter, and with the travel adapter, because you're going international, everybody plugs are not all American. If you've been on a ship before and you kind of used to what they have, then you know what to take. If you don't, you just want to be safe. So this is a travel adapter. I got it off of Amazon. You have one, I think it's 2 that it came in and out. And there's another one that just comes straight like that. And then there's another one. That's your American one. Then you can go like that. So it's different ways that you have multiple ways to charge your devices. And then on the side, once you figure it out, there's like 4 USB ports. Did that focus? I don't know. 4 USB ports, so you can charge multiple devices at one time. So you're not waiting. Because if there is an American plug on there, I want to say it's usually like 1, and then everybody's trying to charge their juice on that one. So take your travel, or get you a travel adapter. And I got this off of Amazon. Next on the list you will want to have is dish detergent. And I know everybody like, oh, dish detergent, da 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 da. So you can do dish detergent, or I have ordered some they're like some dry tablets that you can buy when you're camping, because you don't have access to water. But if you, in this case, you will have access to water, but you can go to the restroom or whatever, put it on that little tablet, and it turns into like liquid soap, so you can wash your containers and stuff out. So if you take your tumbler and your straws, yes, you want to clean them daily. Bacteria, bacteria, bacteria. You want to clean your stuff. So again, this is about in the same category with the little hand soap. You may end up tossing it at the end, but how they say, you have 99 problems, but bacteria will not be one. Clean your stuff. And to follow up behind that is your personal tumbler. Whether you have a drinking straw or something to keep clean. Yes, they have cups. Yes, they have glasses. But if you've been on a boat before, have y'all seen them kids walking around after hours doing stupid stuff? Take your tumbler. Take your tumbler. Take you some straws. The light is glaring on it, but take you some straws. You want to treat it like you're a guest in somebody else's house. So these, and I know it's a lot, but these are things that, trust me, you would get on that boat and be like, man, I wish I had my own XYZ. So tumbler and straw set. Next you want to take is your speaker. You want to take your Bluetooth speaker. You know, you got your little vibe, your little morning routine you got going on. Or if you're sitting on your patio, not to go on your patio blasting music and get no noise complaint, but just a chill little ambience. You know, you got your wine, you got your book, you got your coffee, you got your tea, you want your little playlist going where you just enjoying the view, enjoying the vibe, you want your music going, and you don't necessarily really want nothing in your ear. Take your Bluetooth speaker. You won't regret it. So rock out on your Bluetooth speaker. Next thing you want to take is towel clouds. If you're one that like to sit out on deck, it can get very, very breezy. If you're going to the port and you want to go to one of the beaches, it can get very, very breezy. So if you want to jump up and take a photo, last thing you want to do is try to figure out, how can I keep my towels in place without it blowing away? Because y'all lose them towels, they will charge you. You'll look on your ship and sale card and towel. Get you some towel clamps, clamp them down, and you'll thank me later. Amazon, Walmart, you can get them a set of 4, a set of 8, depending on how many people are going with you. Like when I'm going with me, my husband, and my kids, I take everything. Get your towel clamps, because I'm not paying for no towel. So towel clamps is a good thing to have. Next you want to take is your Downy wrinkle releaser. This is like liquid gold. Oops. This is like liquid gold. A lot of cruise ships are pulling away from like the washrooms and the ironing station. Why, I don't know. I know when we went on Carnival, there was like one on every other floor. But last time we went on the Caribbean, Royal Caribbean, which we're going on again this time, they didn't have any stations where you can iron your clothes. So we end up sending stuff to be pressed, which it wasn't expensive, but we end up sending stuff to get pressed. But a couple of pieces like shirts, I sprayed this Downy releaser, wrinkle releaser, turned the bathroom shower on with some steam. Once you spray it, you kind of wipe it with your hands, hang it in there. I trust me, it knocks the wrinkles out. So these are good to have for a cruise, to just knock out your wrinkles, because no matter sometimes how much you iron your clothes before you pack, they still be wrinkled, and I'm not team wrinkle. So think wrinkle down releaser is a good one to have. Next would be a portable fan. If you go to events, shows, excursions, and you on those buses and it's just a little hot. Hear that? These would be your best friend. $5.99, $6.99. You just want to put it with your little toiletry stuff. Have it when you go. For the women, you know, we're doing our makeup and we do our little setting spray. So you can do it for your setting spray, or you can do it when you're out on an excursion. Be your best friend. So you want to invest in a portable fan. Flashlight. Don't ask me why. Your girl is extra. So I pack a lot of stuff. So if you're looking for somebody to say lightweights to pack, I'm not she. She not me. I pack a lot of stuff. But when I do pack and I go on trips, guess who door they knocking on? Mine. Do you have? Because I'm that girl. So yeah, flashlight. I see you. Yeah, got a flashlight. Pack your little flashlight. This next one will be travel C-band. I don't know if you can see this because I think I got this light too bright. But like travel wristbands. This one came in a pack of 2. And that's what they look like. And you just take them out. And the white part goes like on the pressure point. This is for motion sickness. You can take this, Dramamine, and they also have like the little ear patches that they do sell those on the boat. But if you can get it beforehand just to have, I haven't had to use one in a while. My first time ever cruising when I was 19. Yeah, that was like 10 years ago. But I got sick one time and the lady gave me some ginger pill. So I always invest in these, and believe it or not, or even the ginger pill, I find myself just about on every cruise giving them to like complete strangers to kind of help settle their stomach or different things like that. I don't like the Dramamine or like a wristband, but mainly like family too. So wristbands are good to have just in case someone they have motion sickness. So Dramamine or wristband. Next is a waterproof phone protector. So if you tend to go swimming a lot, want to go to the beach, want to sit in the, I want to do it to the cruise, I don't know about that. But you want to go on the beach and you just don't want to leave your phone by, because folks steal. Folks do some shady stuff. And you just want to keep your phone with you at all times. This is pretty good. It opens up. I got these off of Amazon. And what I like about these is my phone has a protective case on it. And I have a Android 23 Ultra. And as you can see that? It fits. And now, because I made sure it fit. Because other than that, I was going to send it back. But it fits a phone. So if you got your phone in a case, you don't have to take it out of the case to put it down in this pouch. So phone case would be, waterproof case would be good to have for your trip. Next thing is a portable mirror for my girls. And I cannot open it right now. But she's good to have, like, because you only have one bathroom in that cabin. But if you need to just kind of jump on, you have your mirror. And if it's a charge, ooh, you see that? You can do your makeup and make sure you're good. Like, yeah, while you're sitting there, waiting to use the restroom. And it has different settings. I want to say it has like a cool and a warm. So, and that's good to just have. So you're getting ready. Well, if somebody's in the restroom, you can kind of still sit and have. Actually, but you know what? Using on the cruise a little light, right by the little what they call it? I don't know what to call it. But the area where the light is at is usually pretty good. But just in case you want some extra light, you want to sit on the bed and kind of have it close up to do whatever. These are a good investment. I got this off Amazon as well. A lot of the stuff I got off of Amazon, y'all. I have not linked anything. If you want me to link it down below, please leave a comment asking me what you like to link. I have not set up my affiliate links yet, so no, I'm not going to make anything off of it. But I do not mind sharing where I got most of this stuff. The next item is sunscreen. And to my sisters and brothers of a different race, yes, I know y'all are well prepared. But to my people, we burn too. So please protect yourself, because that Caribbean sun hits a little bit different. So get you some sunscreen, get what's good for your skin, and make sure you're protecting yourself on this trip. And last and certainly not least, well, two things. One, your beach bag. I got this off Amazon as well. So you could do your beach bag, and this is just if you're at port and you're shopping and you don't want to have a whole bunch of bags walking around, you can put all your bags in here. If you're on a boat and you walking around, you just want a big bag for the day, you know, this is a good strong bag. And I've had this bag for about 2-3 years. So when I say strong, y'all, it's strong. So your beach bag, and last, nope, that one last. Last thing would be, oh, it's two last things. So these little towels right here, I got them off of Shein. And I got them to kind of like wipe stuff down sometimes. So they're a little bit packaged, but then when you open them up, and this one not open, I should have brought the other one that was open. But they're little bitty packages, and when you wear them, they open up into like a thick cloth. And I took them on the trip with us when we went to Green Bay, and they came in handy to just like wipe stuff down. At first, I got them to do my face, and I was like, nah, because I don't know what y'all putting this stuff to make it get hard and stay hard. I don't want that on my skin. But to just wipe down stuff, this was very good to use to wipe down stuff. So you got it wet and you can wipe it down. I might wipe off might use it to wipe my mug around it. Probably not inside of it, but yeah. So these were good to use. And then the last thing I would say is take your snacks. You know, you get on that boat and it's after hours, but you still up and you vibing and you want some stuff to snack on. Your favorite snacks. Take your snacks. Take you some snacks. You know, most of the time on the boat, you can bring snacks. You can bring like a case of sodas. You can bring wine and different things like that. Now we can go more into that on my next video where I talk about like the do's and the don't and what to expect on a cruise ship. But these are all the things that I learned the hard way of what I need to have on the boat. Hopefully you could take something away from this. Like if you didn't pack some stuff, maybe you could start packing some stuff. And yeah, that's it. So again, I'm not a light packer. I'm an extra packer. So if you're looking for ways to pack less, I'm not she not me. But you might be one of the ones that come knocking on my door looking for some stuff one time. So that's all I have for this video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.